What is up, guys? Port of the Fan Collector here, and today I'll be showing my 2002 Harbor Breeze Classic ceiling fan. I got this thing for around $30 on eBay. This thing runs really nice, even though it's not the best air mover. It does put off some air. I can actually feel it from my bed on low. But yeah, I'm gonna show this thing on all 3 speeds. Also, not to mention this thing has wingtip. And yeah, I'm gonna show this thing on low. Oh shoot. Yeah, this is a really nice fan, in my opinion. Yeah, some of the blades are actually bent. But don't worry, it's just how this fan came. And yeah, because the way I put the blades on was actually so useful that it's just not really wobbling that much anymore. And yeah, this thing is running really nicely. It's running real fast. It's putting off a very slight breeze, and that's a good thing. And yeah, some blades are like a blade is bent. I do have a spare blade somewhere, but looks like my mom just. Oh, yep, I have the spare blade here. Yeah, I'm gonna put this on medium. Oh shoot. That's a good medium speed. Oh shoot, what just, this thing is just twisting itself out of place. But yeah, I'm getting a good breeze from here. Even though, yes, the blades are bent. It's not really wobbling too bad, but yeah, I'm feeling some good air from here. And here's high. It's running really nice and fast. You can see it does wobble a teensy bit just because the blades are out of place. Well, they're bent really bad. But yeah, at least it's not wobbling like it was when I got the fan installed. Ugh, it was bad. Well, it's just the way I placed the blades was just the worst. Yeah, I'm getting a good breeze from here. Yeah, this is actually running really nicely. And that's a good fast high speed for a 4-bladed fan. It runs slower with 5 blades even though. It's the motor. Yeah, this thing has a combo motor so you can run it with 4 or 5 blades. The Encon Casanova I'm going to be getting for my birthday is like that. I believe it's from around 92, if I'm certain. But yeah, just wanted to show that thing, and yeah, I'll see you all soon.